how does Amazon PPC automation work and when does it make sense to use it? So when it comes down to Amazon PPC automation, the way how I'm seeing it, automation can be from within the ad console, or it can be you are using a tool to automate whatever you are currently working on. If you're going to use Amazon's automation tools, they have specific automations for whenever they have budget rules, whenever a campaign performs under or certain percent of ACOS, you are able to add a rule that you're going to increase the budget immediately. And what else do they have? Even the fact that they would have offering the dynamic bidding up and down, that is still an automation process, I would say, because you're not anymore controlling the whole process. So then I would consider that that is an automation process from Amazon's end. When it comes down to tools, again, when it comes down to automation, the way I'm seeing it, and correct me if I'm wrong or correct me if that is not what exactly you asked for. Right now, when we're using tools, we're not using any automation software. The reason for that is because they are going to judge based on if-then statement and they have no judgment. Giving you the easiest example, ChatGPT or Grok. We are using it within our company. Our teammates, they are using ChatGPT on a daily basis, even in client communication, even in how we report. We are using that constantly. Now, the tool itself is going to be only as smart or as dumb as you are. And I know that sounds bad, but that is the truth. So the moment that it's going to puke out information, you're still the end-all be-all decision maker to decide, does this tool knows what it's talking about? Did it actually build up, augmented my own intelligence, or it just throwing out information? And it just executes based on whatever you told it. And this is also how I'm seeing automation tools work. They have a strict rule of if-then statement, but they have no judgment behind. And this is why it is really hard to handle automation tools if you don't have judgment behind. Unless you have more judgment behind, then you can say, okay, I can maybe create this automation in the tool, and then it's going to be my end-all be-all when it comes down to this decision. Usually we would not outsource thinking and strategizing to tools.